How to use Zoom breakout rooms step by step guide. So for that, what you'll have to do is you must be in the website version because that's not available in the like your Zoom application. So what you'll have to do is go ahead, log into your Zoom account in your website, then simply head into your profile action, go to your settings. So from settings, let it load. So once you're into settings, you can see a meeting option. So simply press on meeting, and in the meeting advanced option, here you can see breakout room meeting. So simply toggle that on. So once you toggle it on, you will be able to allow hosts to split meeting participants into separate smaller rooms. That is better for like group discussion and others. So once you've done that, go to Zoom, and then here you can simply go ahead, start a call, and then you can simply mm, break out the rooms in the call. So what you have to do is here, let's see, let's host a meeting. So we are hosting a meeting, so always allow. So here you can see join from browser. So you can simply go ahead, join from browser. So once you're there, let's go ahead, see, join for a meeting. So we have hosted a meeting. It will take some time to join. So you can see you can continue without microphone and camera. So it's according to your wish. So here in order to do that, you are in a call. So what you'll have to do is simply go to this more, and then here you can see breakout rooms option. Simply press on that. Here you can create different breakout rooms. You can simply like create multiple rooms according to your wish. So assign manually or automatically. So simply create, and once you've created, you can see different of the rooms. Now you can simply open all the rooms for different rooms created and different participants. Now once you've done that, you can also close the rooms according to your wish. You can also check the rooms according to your wish. You can rename the rooms. So that's how you use the breakout Zoom meeting rooms in like Zoom. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.